Welcome! Before we get started, I got a little question for you. Do you consider yourself a genius? If yes, then after taking this course, you will become an even greater genius. Actually, God knows what you'll be able to do after benefiting from this knowledge. And if you do not consider yourself a genius, then believe me, you are a genius. You are a dormant genius. And after taking this course, you will be the genius that you are meant to be. You just didn't know how to use your brain. And now, science, neuroscience is here to show you how. Neuroplasticity is a phenomenon. It is the brain reshaping itself. Basically, the brain, your brain, can become any brain you want it to. That is, you can print in it any skill, any personality trait, any ability you want. And that is called rewiring your brain. Actually, if you do not rewire your brain, it will wire itself on its own, and generally it goes the wrong way. Actually, neuroplasticity is your brain evolving. So it can either go up if you show it how to go up and if you use the proper exercises, but if you don't, then it will go down and it will shrink. Same as with your body. If you do not exercise and take care of your body, you will get more and more sick. Actually, your brain is just one organ of your body, and if you don't take care of it, it will go down and it will shrink, and that will be terrible. But if you do take care of it, well, the sky is the limit. You can really make it do things that are unbelievable. And this is what this course is about. It's about teaching you how to rewire your brain, that is, reprogram your brain. So I will explain to you some technicalities of neuroplasticity. Now, before you worry, I use simple language. I try to give you as few technicalities as possible, but really I give you the technical knowledge that you need to know how to rewire your brain, the knowledge that you can use to print anything you want. That is, I'm teaching you how to program your brain. This is a programming class. Could even have put it in the computer science area. So I'm really teaching you how to program your brain, and then we will have some programming exercises. That is how to program your brain to come up with genius ideas, also called creativity. Then I will give you another exercise on programming your brain to concentrate, like laser sharp focus, and we will be using the technicalities we have learned about neuroplasticity. And then we will apply our knowledge to program our brain to steadily grow your IQ. And yes, IQ is a number that evolves. You can use neuroplasticity principles to shape a brain with an increased IQ. Then, with these three examples, how to rewire your brain will be second nature to you. So you'll be able to rewire your brain to do many, many, many more things than just build your creativity and laser sharp focus and increase your IQ. So let's get started.